Hi guys, today I am going to share you the little bit information which I have about the Chandrayaan 1, 2 and 3. So Indian Lunar Exploration Program has got three phases. The phase 1 is Chandrayaan 1 which is about orbiter and moon impact probe. So here orbiter which is something move around like this on the pole to pole of the moon, and the moon impact probe which was crashed near the south pole in the case of Chandrayaan 1. Okay, it was having the instrument M3, that is moon mineralogy mapper, which detect the water in the form of hydroxyl ion, and it was launched by using the PSLV XL. It was following the same principle of energy transfer. Now, the second phase is about Chandrayaan 2, which is having the lander, rover, and orbiter. But unfortunately, the lander got crashed in the case of Chandrayaan 2. Now, the last phase is Chandrayaan 3, which is having the lander, rover, and propulsion module. So here this time we have seen that we are using propulsion model instead of orbiter. So is there any specific reason? So I can say no, because in the case of Chandrayaan 2, the orbiter was successful. That's why we are trying something new. So we are using propulsion module instead of orbiter in the case of Chandrayaan 3. So the name of our lander is Vikram, which is having the four payloads. The first one is ILSA, that is Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity. It will study the tectonic movement on the moon. Now, the second one is Ramba and Langmuir probe. It will study the level of plasma of orbit to assess the sustainability of moon for sustaining the human life. Third one is CHEST, means CHASTE. It will drill in the soil to collect the data of thermophysical variation during the lunar day. And the fourth one and last one is LRA, that is lunar retro reflector array. Okay, it will study the change in the distance of the moon and the earth. Now the next one is rover. The name of rover is Pragyan, which is having the two payloads. The first one is Apex, that is alpha particle X-ray spectre. It will assess the minerals on the moon. Now the next one is LIBS, that is laser induced breakdown spectre. It will carry out the analysis about the element in the lunar soil. Now, both lander and rover will working for one lunar day, that is 14 day, because they are having the solar power, uh, which solar power. So, during the lunar night, the temperature will goes minus 100 degrees centigrade. In those temperature conditions, the instrument will not able to be work. So if they were sustained to be work for the longer duration of time, then we required RTG, that is radio isotopes thermoelectric power, which will produce the current to keep moving this instrument during the lunar night. ISRO and BARC have signed an agreement to do this technology, which will further helpful in the lunar and Mars mission. Okay, presently, if I am talking our Chandrayaan 3, the instrument are in sleeping mode, and let's see let's see whether they are working or not during the lunar day after completion of the lunar night. And since if they are not working, then also well, because we are done with our goal. Thank you.